information. Okay, some clear information. So here we are going to see the next topic is our vision and version. So vision is nothing but here goal. We can see our goal. So where we can reach to the destination or not. So here definitely whenever different organizations are working on different project, definitely they will be having some vision statements like product visions. Okay, means they will be identifying the vision, setting some goals. Are they are reaching to destination or not, are they are getting the profit or not. Okay, they are maintaining some statements. Okay, some vision statements. Based on that, here they will be reacting and they will be working, right? So vision is nothing but it's a goal or a destination where we are working to reach that particular point, right? So mission, what is that mission? Have you heard that mission? Vision, mission, version. Yes, mission. What is this mission? Vision. Yes. Can anyone respond me? There are same words like vision, but meanings are different. Vision, mission, version. Have you heard? Have you heard these three words? Yes, what is this mission? Yes, everyone will be heard this mission. Yes, working for the vision. Okay, very good. Mission means giving a task to a person. Okay, okay. Means here understand the wording differences. Vision means we are setting some destination to reach that point. Mission means here we are giving, you have to complete that task, right? The people who are working in militaries or who are working in some department, research departments. Okay, their mission will be like, they will, according to that, they have to work within that. However, okay, అది మంచిగా ఉండు బ్యాడ్గా ఉండు, వాట్ ఎవర్, దే హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ ఆన్ దట్ మిషన్, దే హ్యావ్ టు ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? సో లైక్ దట్ మిషన్ మీన్స్ విల్ గివింగ్ సమ్ task to a persons. Okay, and so like that here missions means finally you forcibly, okay, you are agree or not, you have to complete that, okay, mission. And version is nothing but whatever the things we have updated. Okay, we have collected some reviews or feedbacks from the customers and we are releasing in the next iterations, right? So like that versions will be there, different versions will be there, right? So here we can see some different types of versions. So the product vision, vision, product vision, different types of visions are there. Product vision means it will be stating about all about the product vision, how it is working, what are the things involved in that. Okay, like that they are going to be stating about that, all about the product only. And next, identifying the vision. Okay, so prioritize the vision means they will be identifying, actually whenever they are working on that particular project, first of all what they are doing means they will be doing some identification. Okay, why we are working, what are the things we are involving in that. Okay, if we are working on that particular thing, okay, where it will be reaching, okay, where it will be reaching, okay, how it will be look after the development. Okay, like that we are doing some identification. Okay, for that also we are having some goals, right? And next, documenting the vision. So documenting the vision means definitely it is for the better understanding, right? We are doing some documentations, and by seeing that we can easily understand whenever the person who have left in the organization also, we can see the documentations and we can do some like understanding and we can start the work from that, like that, right? And next, how to create a vision statement. So before, in companies, whenever we people are working on the projects, definitely we are going to be focusing on the requirements first, right? So requirements, preparing one requirement statements, okay, based upon our budget, based upon our plan. Okay, here we are creating one vision statement, right? Means gathering all the based on the requirement statements only. Here we are creating the vision statement, right? So for example, as we discussed, like if we are conducting any event, okay, if we are connecting any event, so based upon that event, based upon that requirement only, here we are going to be selecting all the requirements and how it will be looking, and after the completion of that, what will be the results. These all things we are going to be making it has one statement, right? So whenever we are conducting any events, either a marriage or any farewell parties, okay, definitely there will be one vision for these parties or any events. What are the things are important, okay, based on this requirement statements only, we can do, we can create one vision statements, means here I want to conduct one event within 10,000 budget, okay, so we can do some estimation like in this 10,000 ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఆ event, okay, we can do some vision statement for that, right? We are creating, okay, 10,000 means okay, 3,000 for the food, like snacks, teas and coffees, we can close that, okay, and next for gifts or prizes some 3,000, okay, for that we will be closing, and for that hall charges we are paying some 1,000, okay, like that we are creating some statement, means based on our requirements we are going to be creating the vision statements now, okay, based on the requirement. Next, promoting the vision, okay, so whenever you people have been develop any product, definitely you will be doing some promoting, okay, either by how you will be promoting, either by a TV ads, okay, either by a TV ads or including that ads in your YouTube channel between that, okay, YouTube's, or otherwise whenever you are browsing any web pages or Chrome, at the bottom or top you can scroll that ad, okay, so that the customers can focus on that, okay, like that we are promoting the visions, means focusing the vision and making aware to all the team members, okay, so we are focusing on that, and for example, Amazon sale is there, okay, some 70% off is there on each and every product. Now he want to promote that thing, so how you will he will be promoting? So he will be giving some scroll message, okay, on YouTube's, on browsers, wherever you people are searching in Google, okay, at that time he will be giving some rolling information or TV ads, okay, these all things, okay, so like that they will be selecting some promoting visions also, right? And what will be the results? So when the visionary promotes the vision wells, everyone understands why the project is important to the company, right? So whenever we are promoting, okay, definitely we can understand how much important that project is that for that particular company or the organization. Next, contradiction. If the project isn't worth doing, it's better to cancel it now and after spending a lot of money, right? So whenever we are working on any particular project, if it is worth, then spend the money, okay, and simultaneously you will be getting the profit. But here, don't spend a lot of amount on that particular, okay, if we are unable to expect budget or profits on that, okay, you stop there itself only, right? That is better. So like that, contradictions will be there. And alternatives, the only alternative is to clear the vision or no vision all, okay, whatever the problems you face, okay, without profit, how you will be working, so better to cancel that, okay, better to cancel that, or don't set the vision at all, right? So like that, here visions, different kinds of visions will be there, okay, different types of visions will be there. According to that, here organization will be selecting and they are going to be working on that. So the first thing, the first motto of this vision is to serve customers or stakeholders. They are valuing the stakeholders and their family values, okay, based on the employees or the works, right? So our vision is to serve the customer while maximizing the stakeholder value and upholding the family values of our employees, right? So we have to finally we have to serve for the customers, okay. We are working for the customers, whatever the product, whatever the things we have involved in that, right? So these all things will be in that. So this vision is of three types, ma'am. One is the first one is the product vision, okay. So mainly this product vision describes the purpose of the product, okay. It will be describing the purpose of the product and how they have created and what are the aims to be achieved for the customers and the users, okay. How they have developed and what are the feedbacks, whatever the customer reviews, okay. These all things will be based on that only they will be creating the product, means based on that all customer reviews and feedback they will be making one statements, according to that they will be reaching to that particular destination, ma'am, right? And next, product vision describes the future state of the product, right? And what the problems it tries to resolve and what ambitions it tries to fulfill. So based upon the product vision only, if the product is working perfectly, ma'am, if that product is good and it got a good name in that, right? So for example, our company is working on some sanitizer, okay, preparation, okay, that is one sanitization and mask now, okay. Present generation they are working on that, right? So how much they have involved, okay, how many persons are working on that, okay, how much amount they have spent on that and how much profit we are getting, okay. We can work for the future or not, okay. We are doing some estimations on that, okay. If any problems also come, definitely we are trying to solve that, okay. Like that we are taking some risk and we are working on that particular sanitizations and the mask, right? So whenever we are selecting any particular product, okay, whenever we are releasing any product into the market, definitely we have to face the problems and simultaneously we have to get the profits also, right? So whenever the problems has arisen, definitely you have immediately you have to work out on that and you have to resolve that issue, right? You should be like that, right? And having a clear and inspiring product vision helps in motivating and inspiring the people. So whenever your product vision is strong, definitely it will be motivating and inspiring the people, ma, right? So whenever you have selected any mobile, okay, any product, one person has purchased, ma, right? Now Abhi has purchased that mobile. What he will be saying, 1 week, 2 days, he will be using that product and giving the review. Okay, what review? అరే ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ సూపర్ ఉంది, పర్చేస్ చేసుకో, దీంట్లో ఈ కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకే. లైక్ దట్ యూ విల్ బి మోటివేటింగ్ అండ్ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ టు ది అదర్ పర్సన్. ఈ అభియల్ని ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఇంద్రతేజ్ కి చెప్తాడు, అరే ఈ ఫోన్ బాగుంది, దీంట్లో ఈ కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ ఉన్నాయిరా, డెఫినెట్ గా తీసుకో అనేది. లైక్ దట్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ మీన్స్ హియర్ one by one will be motivating and inspiring the people's, right? Inspiring the peoples and they will be working on that and simultaneously developing the team and stakeholders, customers, everything will be means here organization will be motivating for this developers, okay, developers, team members, organization, okay, stakeholders and customers and users. Whenever they use that particular product, okay, from one by one they are passing the information, right? So like that simultaneously only mask, whenever you people are using mask now, right? Array you use 9N95 mask only, it's good, okay. It can protect from the virus, okay. Like that you are giving the information so that everyone will be purchasing this. Or otherwise you are saying that take the Ram Raj mask, okay. Like that you will be suggesting, means motivating the people and getting with simultaneously we can get the profit on that particular product. Whenever we are motivating and inspiring the people on that particular product, means like that, inspiring the product visions will be there. Okay, that also will be helping us, right? And and it also provides some common understanding, ma'am, the direction we want to move towards. And beside that, product vision also supports, and product owner is making the choices about what to build and what not to build for the product, right? So whenever we are going to be develop any product according to the generation, according to the season, we have to choose, ma'am, ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేస్తే నాకు ప్రాఫిట్స్ వస్తాయా రావా. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ అయితే ప్రెసెంట్ ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ డెవలప్ చేస్తే ప్రాఫిట్స్ వస్తాయమ్మా చెప్పండి. ప్రెసెంట్ శానిటైజర్స్ అండ్ మాస్క్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్. ఓకే, శానిటైజర్స్ అండ్ మాస్క్. అండ్ సెకండ్ ఈ ప్రెసెంట్ ఉన్న సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో ఫార్మా వెరీ గుడ్. వ్యాక్సినేషన్స్, ఓకే, వ్యాక్సినేషన్స్, pharmacies, yes, injection Ramdesir, okay, that injections, okay. So means based on that situation and based on that problem, if we select that particular product, means like that we have to focus the vision, means we have to focus the vision and make the choice what to build and what not to build for the product. Okay, so like that only, whenever the company is taking any project, definitely what to build and what not to build. Okay, what are the things ఇది డెవలప్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది, ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ జావాతో వచ్చి పైథాన్తో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తే చాలా బాగుంటుంది, సో దట్ యూజర్ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ ఈజీలీ. లైక్ దట్ దే విల్ బి చెకింగ్, మీన్స్ దిస్ ఆల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్. Okay, whatever the choices they are making based on the customers, okay, for the customer's sake only they are going to be preparing these all choices, right? So this is like a vision, means different visions will be there. Okay, this is the product vision, right? So product vision, and there are different, like identifying the vision. Okay, identifying the vision means how the product has been working, and project vision meeting involves the stakeholders. They are putting some meetings, and they are involving the customers. Customers means stakeholders. Are we reaching to their expectation or not whenever we are developing any particular project? Okay, effective ga vision statement ki reach avutunnama leda anedi identifications will be there. Okay, that is the second one, identifying the vision statements, right? So based on the performance, okay, based on the performance they will be conducting some meetings. Everyone will be involving, like the stakeholder, product owner, and scrum master. Okay, like testers, developers, everyone will be involving in that, and they will be focusing on that, right? And third, documenting the vision. Okay, documenting the vision, this is very important, right? It provides a high level executive summary, okay, whatever the things we have done in that particular project, here they are giving some summary, right? Like undertaking for the software development, for example, like vision capture and essence the envision solutions in a form of high level requirements, and they will be designing some constraints and providing some stakeholders on the overview of the system to be developed. Okay, means totally they are going to be checking some behavioral requirements, right? So they are making some documentation. Okay, how the product has been developed, what are the things they have involved, whatever the choice they have taken, whatever the visions they have included in that, these all things they are including in that. Okay, simply they are making it as one overview of the system, how they developed and how that product is behaving, right? So this is the vision documents here required. So these all are the documents required. So however you people are developing any project, right, major project, book tayar cheyala, definitely there will be some revision histories. Okay, some first page will be like chairman, director sir, principal. Okay, like that para information will be there, right? And signature pages will be there, internal and external. Okay, next, after that, introduction you will be providing about your project and what is your purpose statements, right? and problem statements. These all things you are going to be including scope of the statement and business need and the requirements, hardware and software requirements, and giving the project overview and major features for that, whatever the features are there, your projects, okay, how the stakeholders registers, okay, means how to use by mentioning some screenshots, okay, like these all things you people will be involving, doing some assumption, definitions, process, everything detailedly. You are maintaining some documentation, right? By seeing that documentation clearly, we can understand, yes, you have done this project, how your project is working, okay, like that we can do the estimation. Okay, so today I will stop here. Next we'll see how to create a vision statements, okay, that is of 3 types.